screenshot.
Who is talking now? Bhavin, are you there? Sudeep, what happened?
Ma'am, can I screenshot?
Sudeep, you wanted to share your screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I'll stop share. Okay, for you, okay, share your screen.
Can you see this, ma'am?
Yes, it's visible. Scroll down, Jupyter, click that one.
I'm launching this, but it doesn't launch from.
Double click, it will click. See, it will open. Just scroll down. It will. Otherwise, from start, it is there. Another point is there. Jupyter Notebook. You can get it from there. Two things are there.
It just loads like this and it doesn't open.
Wait,
it
wait,
just
wait.
loads like this and doesn't open.
Wait, it will open. It will open. Just wait for some time. It will open. That's why I told you before only you open this, click so that it will not take much time for execution.
This I tried from morning, so I just made this shortcut earlier. It will open
Wait for some time. It will open.
Since
Just wait. Don't. It created a shortcut. Okay, go to Windows button. Go to Windows. It is there, no, left click. See here, Anaconda is there. It's coming. It will come. Click here, Jupyter. Go to Jupyter. Click here.
It came.
Now you saved yesterday program, no, project 1. What happened? You stop sharing.
I'm getting some error in opening Navigator.
You share your screen?
Ma'am, see.
Sharing.
Yeah, you close Navigator. Close that one. Close. Now you just go to Windows. Go Windows. See here, anywhere it is expand this one. Click expand. See here, Jupyter Notebook is there. Click that one. Jupyter Notebook. Click. Wait for some time. It will open. Students, you have to wait for some time for opening.
I was downloading Anaconda.
It opened of Sudeep for you. It's okay.
Yes.
You have to click here to go Jupyter. Click here.
Now it's coming, ma'am, but Navigator.
Project 1, Python project 1. What happened?
Ma'am, for Navigator, it's not opening.
Again, you share your screen.
Yesterday I was downloading Anaconda. It took more than 2 hours, ma'am.
It will take much time. We share your.
Still, it's not opening for me,
ma'am. It comes like
it is no. After that, click that one. Click Python project 1. Click that one. See down.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, for me it came for around took only 10 around 5 minutes only, ma'am.
1 minute.
Go out of here. Go to Python 3.
Pranshu, wait. Go out.
Don't go there. Go into your web.
Don't close that one. Don't close that one. Don't close that one. Maximize that screen window.
Maximize your web.
Ma'am, Navigator.
Go to Python project.
Go to home page. Yeah, this is your page, students. Wait, I will tell you. Go to Python. Yes. Now it will open. Now you close that Navigator error. It was there. Close that one.
See?
Yes, project came, no. Now
why Navigator is not opening, ma'am?
Navigator will open from there. Expand. It will open from there only. It is opening. Expand. And now you can do, go to file. So wait, come outside. Come outside. After that, I will tell you. Don't close. Click there. Go to file. Go to file. New notebook. Python 3. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
It is new notebook. Go plus mark. Go plus. Symbol plus.
Where it is, ma'am?
New notebook. Cut. Scissor. Save. Left side, left corner. Save. It saved. Rename untitled. Is there no untitled? Click here. Write your name. It will save. Now, Sharman, tell what you were telling.
And for me, it only took 5 minutes and it came, ma'am. And the navigator also had no error.
Very good.
Ma'am, you told that it would be the RAM and the system.
Yes, that will
Should
be.
And
more
that's
than
how
4.
you should do, ma'am.
What happened?
My RAM was above 4 and mine was 64-bit.
RAM is 4. It was downloaded, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. 4 and more 4 means it will download. Less than 4 means your system will, it will download, but your system will get slow. Okay, any other issues? Bhavin?
Still it is not coming.
Bhavin,
Yes,
on your
ma'am.
video, beta? On your
Yes,
video?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
What is your problem? You tell.
Nothing, ma'am.
You share your screen.
Ma'am,
Okay, ma'am.
for me still, if I open the navigator and I launch for Jupyter Notebook, it doesn't come. I need to click that shortcut key for Jupyter Notebook.
I will tell you. Wait for a second. I will, Bhavin's homework I will complete. After that, I will come to you.
Ma'am, 1 minute.
Why we are going for Jupyter Notebook means, see, in our Google Colab, it is getting very slow sometimes for executing. For that reason, Navigator is very good, and for professionally we can use. Okay. And here we can use for scripting mode and interactive mode both. Okay, click OK. Click OK.
Yes, ma'am.
Now go to new, next, last, right corner, upload new is there, no? Right top corner. No, down, little down, see, refresh, upload, new, it is there, no? New, go new, click that one, Python 3. Once you will practice, then next time no problem. First time only it is a problem. And now you write down 3 plus 2. It is working or not, we will check. Everything when you will do it, newly started, you have to test yours. It is working or not. Okay. Double quote.
If we
double
check,
quote.
if we write 3 plus 2, is it necessary to write print double quote?
No. See, printing statement here in this scripting mode, interactive mode, this will work like an interactive mode. No? Our interactive mode will work numbers, your integer part without print statement. See, now it will not print. It will convert as a string. You are kept as a double quote. Don't keep double quote. If you will keep double quote, it will convert as a string. When you are keeping whatever your numbers also, when you will keep as a double quote, it will convert as a string. Print not required when you will use integers. Okay, direct 3 plus 2.
I don't write print, I simply write
3 plus 2. In interactive mode, for integers, print not required, bracket also not required. Bracket remove. See, bracket remove, 3 plus 2. Write 3 plus 2. Run your code. I told you, no, run the code. Now save untitled, click that untitled up, Jupyter after. It was there untitled. Click. Now say, write whatever you want. My first Jupyter program you write. Not one. Write my first Jupyter notebook. Otherwise, my first Jupyter program. Anything you write?
Ma'am, Sudeep ma'am
Okay, okay, clear, okay.
Ma'am.
Your voice is not audible clearly. Okay, now print. Any string you print? Any string? See what first question I given in our WhatsApp. What is the first question? Our group very different of. What is our first question in project 1 I given? Create a variable named car name and assign the value Volvo. Create a variable named car name. Any car name? Sudeep, write down. Create any car name. Why you stop shared?
Hello, ma'am.
Not sharing, ma'am.
Okay. Bhavin, share your
Yes,
screen.
ma'am.
Share your screen. You will type now. Share your screen.
Ma'am, 1 minute. Yes, ma'am.
Share your screen.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Write down.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, no need of print, right, ma'am?
See what I am telling the question. As for that, what you will write? Just think. Create a variable named car name. Create a variable name means variable name should be car name. Write a car name. Car name means car is equal to variable name means write a car. Car is equal to type. Who said screen?
Ma'am, can I, ma'am?
Who said screen now?
Ma'am, you
It's
asked me,
Bhavin.
ma'am.
Bhavin, say
Yes,
write down car. Because
Ma'am,
what they given? Create a variable
yes, ma'am.
named car name and assign the value Volvo. Means your variable name is car and your value will be Volvo. So car is equal to Volvo. How you will assign the value? Variable name is equal to value. When Volvo you are writing, this is a string. So how you will write string? Write Volvo. How you will write a string? By using double quote. See, Bhavin,
Yes,
you are
ma'am.
not writing correct. You have to write in double quote. First time we will do same mistake. No, don't worry, students. It happens. I did a mistake. Now also I'm doing mistake.
Yes, ma'am.
So what is there? We will do mistake. So no problem. So go back. Delete all. Create a car name as variable name. So variable name is equal to car. Write down. Variable name is equal to car. Write down. Car is equal to.
Ma'am, should I keep? Ma'am, I need to keep.
Ma'am, can
brackets.
I share?
Wait 1 minute. Sherman, wait. Write down car.
Ma'am, I need to keep brackets, right, ma'am?
No need. Car is
Yes,
equal
ma'am.
to double quote. Inside double quote, we will write any Volvo. Means the given question, no Volvo. So we have to write Volvo in double quote. No, not bracket. Double quote.
Okay.
Double quote. In string, very good. Volvo. Write down. See, as per our question, we have to satisfy our solution. So what they given? So variable name is equal to car and value is Volvo. Value means here what is our value? String, sorry. Value is string. What is the string here? Volvo. Enter and print now. No. Wait. Come there. Go outside. Go enter, press enter. Now print. Whenever you will print, not run. Now write print.
Press print command.
Print command. When you will print of car, what you will print?
Print
Computer.
car.
Computers should understand what you have to print inside
Bracket.
Print is a method or function. Every function we will write in bracket. Okay, no problem. It happens. It happens. Don't worry. Don't worry. Right. In bracket, write car. See
Yes,
here,
ma'am.
students. Now, variable name we have to print. Variable name we have to print. Now, run the code. Run the code. Run.
Okay.
Yeah, very good. Now we got Volvo. If I will tell, see, what is our second question? Create a variable named X and assign the value 50. Now do it, Bhavin. I will not tell you this one. You do it. What you will write?
Ma'am, can you say the question, ma'am? Ma'am, 1 minute.
I will tell. I will tell. Don't see. I will tell. Just keep in your mind what I am telling.
Okay, ma'am.
Create a variable name X. Create a variable name X.
Okay, ma'am.
And assign the value 50. Assign the value 50. Print. See, 50 you should not give. 50 is a number. You should not give double quote.
Okay, ma'am.
Now print. Here, when you are, see, up 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. Here print not required because directly you are getting output. But when you will use variable name, you have to write print statement. Got it? See, one solution, one difference you are getting. Print X. Print inside bracket, write X.
Yes, ma'am.
Now you got it, Bhavin.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good.
Ma'am,
Very
should
good.
I run it?
Run. After coding, we have to run. Next question. Display the sum 5 plus 10 using variables X and Y. Write down. This is third question is your question. You will stop there now. First you complete this question answer.
And what
I
is
will,
it, ma'am?
I will write. I will tell the question. Display the sum of 5 plus 10 by using two variables X and Y. Means what you will take? Tell me. Pranshu, you tell me what he will write. Pranshu, tell me.
Ma'am, what is the question?
Display the sum of 5 plus 10
Ma'am,
using two variables X and Y. What he will write?
X equal to 5. Y equal to
Enter.
10. Enter. Print. Bracket. X plus Y.
Very good. Now Puneet will share the screen and Sudeep will tell the answer. Next question. X plus Y. X plus Y. Y beta. Why you written?
Okay, ma'am.
Y. Run the code. After that you stop sharing. Very good. Now you stop sharing. Now Puneet will share the screen. Puneet, you have to share your screen and Sudeep will tell the answer next question.
I'm gonna drink water.
Yeah, you can go and drink water and come back early. Next.
Ma'am, I'll get
Puneet?
the bottle, ma'am.
Puneet, share your screen. Sudeep, are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Next question I will read, you tell. Create a variable called Z. Create a variable, new cell. Go for new cell, leave that part. Create a variable called Z and assign X plus Y and display the result. Now, what you will do? Our variable names cannot be added. Our X plus Y cannot be added. What you will give there? See, create a variable name, assign X plus Y means what you will do, X is equal to any value you will keep, Y is equal to any value you will keep, and Z you have to print. Sudeep, Sanvi, can you tell me? Can you tell this answer?
What?
You listen carefully. Create a variable named Z and assign x plus y. Display the result by in integer. What you will do? Any value you will keep. Y is equal to x and y. Next Z. Z is equal to x plus y.
Plus 5.
Very good. X plus y. Next, now we will print Z.
Now, yeah.
Yes, Sanvi, am I telling correct or not?
Yes.
Okay.
But
Print.
I thought you said to write print and then in brackets write x plus y.
See, you didn't write print statement
Ma'am,
here.
ma'am,
You
first we
didn't-
should write enter and print brackets x plus z.
Yeah. Puneet, write down print statement. How it will print? We have to get output means we have to print.
Is there a necessity for print command in this code?
Yeah, everywhere necessity print. Without print, no program will run. Only
First
print.
to enter. First to enter.
Yeah. Next, what you will write? Print Z.
X.
Z, direct Z. Run the code. Okay, got it. Next question. Next you write down next cell. Go to next cell. Remove illegal characters in the variable name. What are the illegal characters, students? You will
Ma'am, at the rate.
at the rate. Very good. Write at the rate A. At the rate A. Any other illegal characters? Anyone can tell me?
Ma'am, explanation mark.
Ma'am,
Very good. Any other? A is equal to any variable name you write. Puneet, your voice, I am unable to hear you.
ma'am, space is also an illegal variable.
Very good. Is equal to any other illegal character, students?
Ma'am, that
One.
ma'am, that
One. Very good. All integers.
ma'am,
First,
that's dollar sign, ma'am.
dollar sign, special characters. Print. Student, beta, print. Puneet. At the rate A. Run. This is a illegal character. Yeah. So what the error it is showing? See, syntax error, invalid syntax. Where? At the rate A. See, error mark they given. You have to check every time. If error is coming also, what's the error you have to check? Who will tell me the solution? Sharman, tell the solution.
What, ma'am?
Tell the solution. What's the error he written while you tell the solution?
Ma'am, the problem is that he has put at the start.
Now don't do that one. Next step, go to next row and write A. See that one, illegal character. Any number, any special characters, any space, everything you have to test it. Now next question. Insert the correct syntax to assign the same value and all three variables in a code line. Inside this one, how you will write? See, sixth question. Insert the correct syntax to assign the same value. Means on one value you want three variables. Multiple variable can assign one value. A is equal to, write down A is equal to, why you cleared? Puneet, you should not clear all these things. A is equal to, okay, write down. A is equal to, write down. A is equal to, B is equal to, same, no, not here, in one line. We want only one value for everything. Students, all of you have to.
A is
on your
equal to
video.
B is equal to C. That's what I'm telling.
C is equal to three variables, is equal to 1. Now we have to print A, B, C. Now print 3. Print A, print B, print C. Print A, C. If we want one value for multiple variables, that time we have to use like this. Print B, print C. Students, are you understood? Students, are you getting?
Yes, ma'am.
All of you on your video. Wabin, where you went off, beta?
I'm here only, ma'am. I'm doing the questions, ma'am.
On video, students, you see, I too will off the video if you will off. Now next time, if any one member will off the video, I will also off the video. I will go and I will watch movie there 2 hours. So here A is equal to B is equal to C is equal to 1. Print A, print B, print C. Now, okay, run. Now, if I will tell next question. Got it, students? If I want 4 variables, how I will write? Now, Puneet, stop sharing video.
Can I, ma'am?
Stop share. Now, Sharman will write. Sharman, share your screen. Next question you will write. Share your screen, Sharman. Insert the missing part of the code below output. 7th question I didn't give output, below output. 7th I didn't give any questions. How you written, students? Any code I didn't give. Okay. 8th one, 7th one, any you write down any name. Very good. Now 7th one I am leaving. 8th one we will go. 7th one, this example misses content in the below correct. This one also I didn't give. So indentation here it is coming. What is indentation? Write down A is equal to 5. A is equal to 5. A is equal to 5. Enter. Enter. Give more space. 4, 5 space you give. Not here. Right to right side. From right side. Left to right you go. Cursor. Print. Right print. Yes, and don't write there. Leave cursor. Right print. Print A. Run. What's the error? It is coming undexed. Indentation. Here in our Python program, it is accepting only indentation. Space
because of the spaces.
Important. Space is more important. Another question is there. Comment the Python are written in special character, which is 1. Comment that one. This is a comment. Give comment. How we are giving comment? This is a comment. Write down sentence. This is a comment. Next question. Multi-line comment. How we will give? If there is a multi-line comment, I will write I am a boy. I am a good boy. No. This is for single line. Multi-line comment. How you will give? I told you on that time. Not single line comment. These are in triple quote.
Triple quotes.
Very good. Very good. Next. Print type. I will tell you. Next type and all the type I will tell you now. On that day I didn't tell what is the data type. Today I will explain you this one. Okay. Now you stop sharing.
Okay.
Stop your say. Yeah. I will share my screen. Today I will tell you the operators. What is the meaning of operator means? There are 2 things are there here. Is my screen visible? No.
Ma'am, you haven't shared.
Yeah. I will say that.
Yes, ma'am. Now it's visible.
Yeah. Okay. Now I'll tell you the operators. What is the meaning of operator? See here. I'll tell you I written here A plus B is equal to C. What is that? A is equal to 2, B is equal to 3, 2 plus 3 is equal to C is equal to 5. Yes, we are doing same like program, no? Yes or no? 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. Here 2 is operand. In our computer language, 2 is a operand, 3 is also operand, 5 is also operand. Here plus and is equal to these both are operators. Operators. Now I will tell you what is operand and what is operator. 2 and plus, these both are operators. I told you 2 is operand, 3 is operand, 5 is operand, and 2 plus and is equal to operators. Now we will learn what are these plus is equal to and all. Okay, now which is by using, see, I will write 3, 2, 5. You are getting what we are doing and all. What we will do, whether we will write here plus, whether we will write here minus, whether you will write here plus, minus, division, what we will write? We will get confusion, yes? So here we will write here
Operator.
operators. By using operator, we have to calculate. We have to calculate means 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. This is equal to is mandatory. Plus is mandatory. These both are operators. By using our operator, we can perform our operations. Operation means this is one type of operation, plus operation, addition operation. If I will write minus, this is minus, subtraction operation. If I will write multiplication, multiplication operation. If I will write division, division operation. If I will write percentile, percentile operation. These all the operations we can write. On variables and values. On variables and values means these are the values. A plus B is equal to C. But C is equal to 5 if I will write. This is a variable. This is a value. Yes. See, I am deleting all these things. I will tell you what is value and variable. A is equal to 5 I am writing. What is value? 5 is value. Yes. And A is variable. Yes. A is variable. A is variable and this is operator. Okay. So here operators are used to perform operations on variables and values. This is plus operator. If I will tell use students, use plus operator and do one program. Do one program. What you will do? I will, madam told to write one operation like plus. So what I will write? 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. This is plus operation completed? Yes. What I told you? Only do plus operator use and write one program. You will write A is equal to 5, B is equal to 3, C is equal to A plus B. Print A, print C, print C. What it is coming? Plus operator. Because as per my instruction, I told you write plus instruction, plus operator. So you are using plus operator. Got it? What is the operator? What is operator? You got an idea? Anyone didn't understand what is operator? You got an idea? This plus symbol, which by using which we are getting, by using, see, plus is an operator. By using this plus symbol, you are going for doing addition. Doing addition. I will tell you percentile. Do percentile. How much percentage you got for you on your exam? By using percentage symbol, you are getting how much percentage you are getting. This is also percentage operation, operator, percentage operator. So there are, in our Python programming, there are different types of operators we are using. In our Python programming, there are different types of operators we are using. What are the operators? Arithmetic operator, assignment operator, comparison operator, logical operator, identity operator, membership operator. Sudeep, where you went off, Sudeep? Bhavin, on your video.
Just 2 minutes, ma'am.
Okay, go and come. Take permission. These 2 hours is mine. Okay, your these 2 hours is mine. Whatever you will do with my permission. After that, your interest. If you wanted to play, go for playing. If you wanted to watch TV, whatever your interest you do. But these 2 hours is my hours. Okay. Okay. arithmetic operator, assignment operator, comparison operator. See how many are there here, operators. How many operators are there here? Arithmetic, 1. Assignment, 2. Comparison, 3. In our world, we are using this many operators, students. Only this many operators are there we are using for operations. See, if we will do arithmetic means only for mathematical operations. Mathematical operations, what you are using mathematical operations? Plus, minus. Tell me. Multiplication. Next, anyone?
Division, ma'am.
Very good. Next,
Percentage.
percentage. Next,
Ma'am, bracket.
bracket is another, I will tell you, that is special. That is not operator. That is coming under different. This is mathematical operations where we are using. I told you mathematical operations where you will get the values. If you will do 5 plus 3, 5 minus 3, 5 multiplies 3, you will get the some values. That time it is called mathematical, on mathematical way here. That is called arithmetic operator, students. Arithmetic operator. Got it? Now we will go for arithmetic operator. We will go first. Now you understood, now all of you? Any doubt anyone is getting? What is operator? Why we are using? Any doubt means ask. See, now I will go for mathematical operations. See, I will tell you what is, we will go quickly, we will complete all these things because everything you known very well. So if I will do add A plus B, what is the output we will get, students? Here, A is equal to 9, B is equal to 4. What's the output we will get? Tell me, fatafat, we will complete this one within 5 minutes.
13.
A minus B. Tell me, unmute.
5, ma'am.
5.
Next, A multiplied B. Fatafat, students.
Ma'am, 36.
36. A division B.
A divided by 3. Ma'am,
A divided by 3.
A divided 9 by 4. How much we are getting here? Point it is coming, students. 4, 2 ja 8.
Oh, wait.
Now 100. 2 point something we will get. Yes.
2.25.
2.25. Very good. 2.25. Okay. We will get like that. 2.25. Okay. Got it. Now another mathematical operations we will get. See, another are there. The division are there. I will tell you now. 1 minute. Wait. What are their questions? 4 and 9 and 4. So here 2.25 Sanvi told. Now next one. This is one new. This is your new. What is this? I will tell you. A is equal to, what is our question? A is equal to, in your textbook it is not there. Yes, A is equal to 9. B is equal to, sometimes it is required. Okay, where it is required I will tell you. B is equal to 4. Now I want A double divided by B. B means this is called floor division. This is called floor division. Okay, floor division. What is the meaning of floor division? Here we don't want remainder part. See, I told you 9, 4. What is the division? Sudeep, tell me beta. Unmute and talk with me. 2 ja 8. Tell me. Tell me, Sudeep.
1.
1. Very good. You are telling answer. This reminder we will ignore. We are ignoring reminder. Ignoring. Sometimes we are going for shop. Sometimes we are going for shop. What they are telling? If 20,000, 20 rupees is there, 20 paisa is there. The 20 paisa we are ignoring. Yes or no? If we will go for shop, for shopping for dress purpose, we will purchase 20,000 rupees and 50 paisa. This 50 paisa, what shopkeeper will tell? Okay, 50 paisa I don't have. You take 20,000. We will give you 20,000. Give us 20,000. We will ignore 50 paisa. Yes or no? Sometimes it happens. So this ignoring part, we are ignoring by using this floor division in our computer. Sometimes it required. Okay. Now I'll tell you percentile. I'll tell you this percentile. What is the meaning of percentile? Same thing. This 9. This is called reminder. Percentile means in our, these are modulos. We are not telling percentile in your computer. This is reminder, students. What is our reminder here? 4 divided 9 divided by 4. What is the reminder? Students, are you able to hear me? Is my
Yes,
voice is audible or
Ma'am,
not?
I have a small doubt, ma'am. I could not hear. How do we ignore the remainder, ma'am?
How we will see? I will tell you. See, you will go to shop. See, this is one type of calculations. We will go for shop, and this is our calculation. After shopping, we got 20,000 rupees 50 paisa. What our shopkeeper will ask? Only 20,000 give. Ignore 50 paisa. Yes. Sometimes it happens or not.
Yes, ma'am.
In our some shops also, sometimes if we will give some money, 200 rupees, 25 paisa, that 25 paisa is ignoring. Yes, whether they will ignore, whether we will ignore. That ignoring part is called floor division. When we will do floor division, we will get only quotient.
How
See
do we
what
do
is,
floor division?
see. This is 9. Floor division of 4 is equal to, we will get output only 2. Okay, this is called floor division. Okay, this we will get only quotient part. The output we will get only quotient part, and this is called modulos. Modulos means we will get only remainder part. What is the remainder? 1. Yes, this is remainder part. Bhavin, what happened? You slept?
No, ma'am. Ma'am,
Ask me doubt. Students,
yeah,
ask
ma'am,
me
I'm
doubt.
getting a doubt, ma'am.
Yes, very good. Ask me.
Ma'am, the reminder could also be like 5 or 6, ma'am. When
Yes. If I will give 10 divided 3.
Okay, ma'am.
3 is a 9. So what is the reminder? It is coming 1. If it is okay, it is 1. If I will give you 14. How much it is? It will come this 3. 3 dash a 14. See, 14 divided 3. Obviously 4 ja 3 4 ja 12. Reminder is 2. So now
And then we need to ignore that too.
ignore where? In this floor division we will ignore. And this modulos, if you will divide 14 modulos 3 is equal to, you will get the solution. We will get only 2. Only reminder you will get. Modulos you will get. See, I'll tell you. I'll clear all these things. In our floor division, you will get output only quotient. Only quotient. Okay. Next, in our modulos, you will get output only reminder. Got it? When we will give this A modulos B, we will get only reminder. When we will give only floor division A floor division of B, we will get quotient. Students, are you getting little bit at least? Why it is required? You are getting the question why it is required? Anyone is getting this question why it is required? Prathamesh, are you able to understood?
Yes, ma'am. Why is it required?
Prathamesh, 1 minute. Prathamesh?
Yes.
Very good. Why it is required? Sometimes sometimes in general in our calculations we required only quotient. Where quotient required, you got it? Yes or no? Sometimes we need reminder also. In our math textbook also, when they are telling students on question, what they are giving? Question 1. Find the remainder of 10 and 3. It is asking a question or not? Find the remainder of 10 and 3. Yes, like that questions it will come. And on real life, why it is using means that reminders will work when it will get a huge money. Huge money. When we will use huge money, on that time it is useful. And this is one type of calculations. Now you don't keep your mind all these things. This is one type of calculations. When we will get reminder, on that time we will use modulus. When we will get only quotient, we want this floor division we have to use. That you keep in your mind. Got it, students? When you want, when I will ask students, find quotient, only quotient, that time what you will use? What operator you will use? Find quotient. Students, Puneet, be active.
Floor, ma'am.
Floor division. Very good. I will tell students, find quotient of 9 and 10. Sorry, 9 divisible by 4. What you will give? 9 divided by 4. Quotient. I will tell students, find modulus, find remainder of 9 and 4. What you will do? You will write the formula in our Python modulus. Okay, write the formula in our program modulus. Sharman, are you okay? Yeah. Sudeep, are you okay? Sudeep.
Yes, ma'am.
Any doubt? Sudeep, any doubt? Sudeep, any doubt? Your voice is not audible, beta. Tell me now. Tell me. Tell me your what, any doubt is there or not? This see all of you know about addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. These 4 no need to explain. This floor division is new. This reminder is new. This is quotient. You will get quotient. Quotient spelling what, Ray? And this is reminder. And this is power.
What is power?
That I will tell you now. Quotient, reminder, these 3 only new you will learn in mathematics in our Python. Already you know addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. Yes. Now quotient, reminder, power. These 3 are new. Got it? You got quotient. Okay. What is quotient? How we will get quotient? You got it. Now how we will get the remainder? You got it. Now I will tell you another one. What is power? Power means 2 power 2. Like this, anytime you are writing question. Tanvi, you did of maybe this power 2, 2 power 2, 3 power 3, 4
Yes,
power 3.
Yes, I've done those
Two
before.
power 4, 5 power 2. Any 6th class students? I didn't see your math book. 5th class, in 5th class you were studied this one, power?
Ma'am, I know about power, but we didn't learn about power in school.
You didn't learn? Okay, now I will tell. Power means every time, see, I will first question, what is our question? 2 power 2 means 2 our 2 will multiply 2 times. Okay, this 3 power 3 means first 3 will multiply 3 times. Is it correct, Sanvi?
Yes.
And 4 power 3 means 4 will multiply how many times? 3 times. 4 is power in 3. 4 power 3. One second. Wait a second. I will mute. 1 second, students. Okay, students, I am back. Students, you need any, you wanted to go washroom, drink water for 2 minutes?
Yeah, ma'am, can I go to washroom?
Okay, I'm giving you now 16:8:48 is there. I'm giving you 5 minutes. Okay, drink water, go washroom and come back. Only 5 minutes
Just
break.
drink water and came, Sudeep.
You ask me any doubt. If you don't have any, students, I'm giving you 5 minute break. If you have any doubt, students, you can ask me. Otherwise,
I am having a doubt.
you now you ask me. I will in between. All will go for washroom and water. Anyone will go for washroom? What? Vavin, on your video, beta. Prathamesh, do you have any doubt?
Hello, ma'am.
1 minute. Prathamesh,
No, I don't have any doubt.
you don't have any doubt. You understood all
But
this?
there is only one doubt that in my teacher code that my father banned, there is a drawing program. I just copy and Jupyter. The error was G is equal to total.pen.
That is later. I will tell you. Turtle program will come. In this, you have any doubt?
No.
Okay, very good, very good. Vavini, do you have any doubt? Sanvi, do you have any doubt? Anyone is having any doubt? In 5 minutes, we will clear it.
Ma'am, can I go to washroom?
Sudeep, you ask me your doubt, beta. You go washroom. This is 5 minute break. Now 5 minute break is going. In between, you can ask me doubt. I am available. You can go.
Can I screenshot?
You share your screen. I will stop there. Yeah. Siti Sahu, you can go for washroom. Sudeep, you share your screen. Yeah, I am seeing.
So how can we save a
Open my first Jupyter. Double click that one. Click that one. It will be open.
doubt? No, why is it
Reload. No. Reload the given. No, click that one.
I'm clicking.
Close again open. It opened now. Yes.
Ma'am, I opened this, ma'am.
That
Project
one is not opening. Okay.
this
Leave
one
that
is
one. Leave that one. I will tell you what some local host, some problem is there. I think so. Yours. Okay. Leave that
I'm
one.
having
Go
a
for
doubt
there.
in how to save a notebook in Drive.
You have to save in Drive, then in future use it will be useful.
Yes, ma'am. I want to save in Drive, ma'am.
Ah.
Save.
You click that one, project one. See students, Drive means long, when you will get job, when you will go for job, on that time also you can watch what you written on 6th class. After 20 years also you can check your code. Okay, that's why I told you Google Colab. But execution and all purpose, Jupyter is best. Got it what I am telling?
Yes, ma'am. So,
Execution and all means Jupyter is best. But for your future sake, if you wanted to run the program, then yeah, your Google Colab is best. Okay, now we'll start the class. Okay, any doubt, any other doubt? That one you run the program, I will, after class, you call me, I will tell you what's the problem it happened. Go for project one, you do it.
yes, ma'am. I'm just have my
Go
doubt
for
is how
project
can I
one.
save it in Google Drive?
Go for project one and do it today.
Ma'am, can I do this move and send it in?
Yeah, we can do it. Don't write, go, don't do, close. Now close. I will check what happened, what is your problem first. We will check, after that we will move. Don't do now. Okay, go to project one and continue today's program. Don't disturb yourself.
It is not coming.
It will open, it will open, it will open. You open that project one. Otherwise go to main page, go to main page, new file you open. Go to main page, go to new Python 3, you open only for now. Now you do this in this, don't waste time. Afterwards we will go for this. Students, now we will go for, I will explain some programs, you have to do it. And this power program I will explain, and we will continue all these things. Okay, because we have to complete early. So what is power and all, I will explain you.
I can't create a new notebook, ma'am. It's saying an error.
Again it is showing error. Okay, what's the problem? I will check after class. You call me. Now you run in Google Colab. We will see. Only for today. After class you call me. We should not waste time. Okay. Google Colab. Otherwise Python ideally 2 I given. See 3 I given. See now. Okay, Sudeep, are you ready? Go to Windows and click ideally. That one you run. Okay, for today. We'll see afterwards what is your problem happened.
Can I do with Colab?
Yes, anything you can see. Programming you can do on it. Yes, that's better. Colab is working means you can do it. See students, we will go for this one, power. What is power? I will tell you quickly. See, 2 power 2 means what is the power? 2 multiplied 2. If I will give 3 power 4, what is the answer? 3 multiplied 3 multiplied 3. That is called power. If I will give 4 power 3, what is the answer we will get? 4 multiplied 4. How many times I will write? How many times? 4. Sorry, here 4 times we have to write. 3 times, 3, 4 times. Here 4, 3 times. If I will write 5 multiplied 2, tell me what the answer we will get?
5 multiplied by 5.
5 multiplied 5. 5 5 is how much? 25. Answer will come 25. 2 2 is 4. 4 4 is how much? 4 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 4. Anyone can tell me the answer? 4 4 is
16.
how much?
16.
12.
4 4 is 16. 16 4 is
64.
64. Very good. Next 3. How much? 3 4 times. How much? 3 3 is 9. 9 9 is this is also 9. This is also 9. How much we are getting?
81.
81. Okay, very good. Now here this is called in our programming language, this is power. Okay, this is power. If I will give you students A is equal to 9, B is equal to 4, right? Find power means what we will do? P is equal to A power B. Bhavin, are you there? Bhavin? Bhavin?
Hello, ma'am.
You be here. I am unable
Okay.
to understand you are here or not. You on your video beta. That's better. A.
Okay, ma'am.
That's better. I will not call you multiple times. So A power B is equal to, we will write 9 to the power 4. We will get the answer. Means 9 multiplied 9 multiplied 9 multiplied 9. Okay, now all of you go open. Now you understood now what is power, what is modulus, what is division. All of you do. I will give you some questions. This 4. Already
Ma'am?
you, tell me.
Ma'am, if I go there, my camera would be off, ma'am. That's why, ma'am.
Acha. Okay, you do it and show me. Your camera will off, no problem. Now you do it. I will give you some problem, students. Now A
Yes,
is
ma'am.
equal to 5. B is equal to A divided by B. Not 5. I will 1 minute. Wait a second. Now you do. All the formulas you have to do. See what functions you have to write. Wait, what functions you have to write? A plus B. See, second, different variable name you have to write. X, Y is equal to A minus B. Z is equal to A multiplied B. Next, what's the function? W is equal to A divided B. Next, O is equal to A floor division B. Next, O after I will take M A modulus B. Next, N is equal to A power B. This much you do it. Now, this function you do it by using A is equal to 10, B is equal to 3. Now, all of you start programming. You have to share me screen. Start programming. German. Don't sit silently. Do it. Bhavin, you do it.
Yes,
Sudeep,
ma'am.
Sudeep, are you ready? Prathamesh, are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Sitish,
Ma'am,
are
can you
you
say the
ready?
question one more time, ma'am?
See, I written here question on my screen. A is equal to 10, B is equal to 3. You have to do this many operations. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 operations. You do it fatafat.
Ma'am is loading. Not getting.
Got it, all of you? Anyone is having any doubt? Ask me. Anyone is having any doubt?
Ma'am, how do you open another folder on Drive, on Google Drive, Collab?
You open that one. You say what you will do. Go to file and new. Go to file. Their file will be there. No, go to file and new.
It doesn't. Can I share my screen?
Yes, you share your screen. I will stop sharing. Students, wait a minute. They will write the question. Students, write your notebook this question, no? All of you written this question?
Ma'am, 1 minute, ma'am. I am just taking
A is equal to 10, B is equal to 3. You have to write the operations. Wait,
Can you see my
Shanvi, for
screen?
something. 1 minute. I didn't stop my share so that you cannot share your screen. Wait a second.
Ma'am, the last multiplication which you have given n, ma'am, what is that multiplication of
Oh, sorry. Correct. This one double multiplication, students.
that will be power, ma'am?
Power. Thank you. Students, remind me like this. Sometimes I will write like that only. A power B. Write down. I hope everyone written these questions. I will erase this. Can I clear
I'm
all
still
the
doing
drawing?
the code. You can clear, but I'm still doing the coding.
Okay, no problem. This is having some doubt, so that I'm
Writing the questions.
write the questions. I will clear the drawings.
I'm done when I written the questions.
Can we wait for some time? Bhavin, have you written question? Bhavin,
Hello, ma'am.
have you written question?
Ma'am, yes, ma'am, I saved it, ma'am.
Okay, very good. Puneet, okay, done.
Yes, ma'am.
Pranchu, done. Yeah, I'm clearing now. Okay.
I'm not done, ma'am.
Shanvi, share your screen. Shanvi, share your screen.
Yes. I don't know how to open another folder.
Yeah. You share your screen. Click that one, my Python program. Click one, double click. Yeah, go to file, new notebook. Okay, you will get it.
Okay.
Okay, now you have to save this Collabri. Now untitled 0 is there, no? Click there. No, IPyNow don't remove. Okay.
How do we save Jupyter files, ma'am?
Wait, I will tell you. Now you write some program as what is that? Arithmetic operators. Because we are going to do arithmetic operators. Okay. Operators. Okay.
Yeah.
Now you can do it. Continue. Okay. After completion, go for file and save. Okay, that's it.
Okay.
And plus means code will be, you will be added your all the new cell. Plus, go for plus. Here plus mark is there, no? Plus. It will add new code. Okay. Got it? Now you continue. Stop sharing. What happened? Who asked me to share the screen? Something? Jupyter notebook not saved. Who asked? Share your screen, Sharman.
Not that, ma'am. How should we save Jupyter files, ma'am?
That's a save. Share your screen. Save means see down of the file. Save option will be there. Save. See.
And where will it save, ma'am?
Yeah. Save. Click save.
And where will it save, ma'am?
It will be saved. Now run the program.
Where will it save, ma'am?
It will save in our Jupyter only. Use run this.
Yeah, ma'am.
Scroll down.
This one.
What you saved? That one DPS. What you saved? Which name you
United.
saved?
Ma'am, I did not untitled. Ma'am, it was untitled. Yes.
Okay, untitled 3. Click that one. Untitled 3 is there.
I'll rename it.
Rename that one. Rename. You write mathematical operators, then you will get it to know. See, title should be match on your content. Then you will get to know what is this. Next time we should not forget. Sometimes we will forget this one. Okay. Now run this program. Where is your print statement?
Ma'am, that's what I'm doing right now, ma'am.
Print statement you write down. Okay, print. Now run your code print statement. You stop sharing. Yeah. Now anyone
I'll
is
complete
having...
the program and show you.
Oh yeah. Now anyone is having any doubt? Pransu, one by one have to share the screen and have to show the code. Sudeep, Sanvi, Puneet, Pransu.
I did my whole code.
Okay. Show me. Share your screen. Show me your code one by one. Sanvi completed. I will go for next operator if we will complete all these things. Okay. Very good. Very good. Operator print. Okay. Very good. Now you stop sharing, ma. You completed. Now you do one thing. In float you do A is equal to 20.3. Write down, ma. A is equal to 20.3, B is equal to 4. What is the output you will get?
Okay.
You just tell me.
Ma'am.
Yeah. Whose screen this is?
Ma'am, Puneet.
Puneet, you just, this is untitled one. You change that, rename that one.
Yes, ma'am.
Mine is done, ma'am.
Okay. Puneet, understood what I told you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. What is a double star or a single star difference? All of you got it? Single
Yes,
star means multiplication.
Single star, multiplication, double star,
Power. Now in float you do, whoever completed on integer part, A is equal to 20.3, B is equal to 4.1. Write down and do the solution.
Ma'am, what?
Can I share my screen on the integer one, ma'am?
I will tell you 1 minute. Students, all of you write down the question. I'm writing in chat box. Question is, I'm writing A is equal to 20.3. Sorry, A is equal to 20.3. B is equal to 4.1. Okay, now you solve all these things. Before you did of on integer, now you do for float. Complete. Now you share the screen. Sharman, share your screen. Siti Sahu, have you done anything?
Ma'am, this is
Siti
that
Sahu,
one.
you have to share the screen now.
Ma'am, this is the code.
Yeah.
The run result, ma'am.
Power. Okay, very good, very good. Sub module mod. But where is your power? Okay.
I'm right in the down part.
Power you didn't understand, Siti Sahu. Okay, I will tell you. Power you don't do, other things you do it. Power I will explain you. Now, you other things you click, you write down. A is equal to 10, B is equal to 23. Siti Sahu.
Ma'am,
Okay.
the float codes also.
You done? Okay.
Yes.
Next, who done? Float codes. Share your screen and show me. Float codes who have completed, share your screen and show me.
Yes, ma'am, I'm sharing my screen.
Ma'am, I'm also done. Can I share mine?
Wait, Puneet will share the screen. After that, you. Whoever completed, share the screen. Puneet completed. Puneet Sharman. Puneet completed, no?
Ma'am, I shared my screen.
Puneet. Yeah. See. Okay. Now, in place, I will tell you one thing. Now you did up, no? Okay, everyone will complete, then I will tell. Okay, you stop sharing.
Okay, ma'am.
Sharman, you share the screen.
I'm this one, ma'am.
It is you share your screen up to now. How much you did up? No problem. Power leave. I will.
This is the interior, the flow, the decimal one, ma'am. And this is the answers, ma'am.
Very good, very good. You stop sharing. Anyone completed? Sharman also completed both integer and Puneet also completed. Anyone? Any other person?
Excuse me, ma'am, I'm writing the code.
Very good, very good. You complete it and show me. And Siti Sahu, you share your screen. How much you did of? Bhavin, you share your screen. Bhavin, Pranshu, share your screen.
Ma'am, I'm doing it.
Okay.
Ma'am,
I'm doing that.
I completed the second task as well. The one that
Okay.
you
Share
gave.
your screen. Share your screen. Sudeep, where you went off, Sudeep?
Ma'am, I'm here.
Share your screen.
Ma'am, can I share it in some time when I'm here?
Okay. I will tell. Error will come also, no problem. This is who's Sanvi.
Yes.
Sanvi, you did in float also. Very good. Okay, stop sharing. So integer float Sanvi also completed. Now Siti Sahu, share your screen. Pranshu, share your screen. Anvesa, what happened to you? Just unmute and talk with me, Anvesa.
Yes, ma'am.
We have to clap for Anvesa because she did in phone. She don't have laptop, but she did in phone. All the codes and she shared me personally by using online Python compiler. She done and she completed all the 22 codes, 22 programs only online, and one by one she written and she get the output and she shared me. Very good, Anvesa. You complete it through and send me. That is also one type of practice.
Ma'am, can I share?
Okay. Share your screen.
I'm also using Google Colab. So if
Yeah.
you use Google Colab, you can save the files in the drive and you can share those drive files to Gmail and all those.
Ma'am, are you able to see?
Yeah. It's very good. Stop. Prathamesh, Bhavin, and Anvesa, you understood what I given you? Anvesa, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Have you understood power, all these things?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, very good. Next, you write in your notebook, and after class you did do and send me screenshot.
Yes.
Okay. Sudeep also shared, no? Sudeep. Now who left? Sitish Sahu, you share your screen. Sitish, you share your screen. How much you did? I will check. Sitish,
Ma'am, I didn't share one. Can I share it?
share your screen. Sitish, are you ready? Next, Sitish will share the screen.
Ma'am, I didn't share.
You share Sudeep. Integer and float.
Ma'am, can you see?
Yes. Test 1, change the test 1. Why test 1? Write math operator, arithmetic operator. All of you have to give the title arithmetic operator because we are going only arithmetic operator. Okay. Next, run. Where is your float point? Bhavin, you have to show me your screen. And Kshitij Sahu.
Ma'am, I did it, ma'am.
Prathamesh.
Ma'am, all ma'am. Ma'am, see, ma'am.
For this is for integer, beta. Where is your float? Sudeep?
Ma'am, I'm doing that, ma'am.
Do that. And who didn't do? Sanvi did. Puneet did. Pranshu, what happened? Pranshu, share your screen.
Ma'am, I showed you. Ma'am, I showed you.
Acha, Pranshu's already completed. Bhavin, Kshitij, Prathamesh, these 3 members left. Pranshu, Bhavin, Kshitij, Prathamesh, these 3. Who will share the screen? Bhavin, Kshitij, Prathamesh. Who will share the screen? Bhavin, share your screen.
Okay, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Kshitij will do later because her system is not going perfect. Okay. Okay, Kshitij, you try, you do it first. Try it again, refresh your page and do it.
Hello, ma'am.
Yeah. Yes, print A. What is this? What is this?
Ma'am, what, ma'am?
Scroll up, scroll up. Scroll up. X is equal to 5, y is equal to 10. Print A is equal to 5. What is this? A is equal to 5 again. Only A you printed. B, what? Bhavin, what you are doing? Go scroll down. Okay, scroll down. Print X is equal to A plus B. Okay, A, B, 10 and 13. Okay, A by B. Okay, very good, very good. Go scroll down. Okay. Where is your floor division you didn't do? And power you didn't do. Complete that one. Bhavin,
Okay.
floor division and power you didn't do. Just complete that one and say,
Ma'am,
say what is that? Stop sharing. Now, Bhavin completed. Only Prathamesh and Kshitij. Bhavin completed. Prathamesh and Kshitij, you both left. Power you didn't understand.
Ma'am, can I share my screen to show the code?
You share your screen. What happened? Share your screen. Prathamesh, share your screen again. Not this one, not this one. I told you, where is your operators? Where is your operators? What I told you now. Where is your operators?
My internet is a little bit of slow, so that for this I put
Okay. No issues. No issues. You can do it on evening.
Okay.
Okay, students. Now I will share the screen. I hope everyone understood all these things. Now, our operator, mathematical operator completed. Now we will go for assignment operator. We will
1
go.
minute, ma'am. Can I show my
Who will show this? Who didn't share the screen?
float,
Sudeep?
my float, ma'am? So, can I share screen my float?
Okay, you share your screen.
Give 2 questions, ma'am.
Didn't understand what you are
20.3 and
telling.
4.1. Ma'am, you give 2 questions, ma'am. 20.3 and 4.1. Can I share that?
You did off, no?
No, I didn't do that, ma'am.
Okay,
Uh,
complete it.
you-
Complete it by today. I will explain you another thing because it will be time is running. Same thing, but little difference. You can do it. Same program. You can do it. I will explain you. I will give you homework for this. One operator I have explained arithmetic operators. Now I will explain assignment operators. Now I will explain you assignment operators. What is assignment operator? What is assignment operator? I will tell you. 1 minute. Wait.
completed the arithmetic operators with the float, ma'am.
Okay, very good. You sit silently. I will take your feedback properly. So just wait for some time. I will explain you assignment operator. So one operator we have completed. What is that? Arithmetic operator. Arithmetic operator. Now second operator is assignment operator. Second operator is assignment operator. What is assignment operator? One assignment operator is anything we have to assign the value. See, A is equal to 5 I am writing. I am assigning the value in one box. If our memory is like a box, this box name is A. I am keeping the value for this 5. This is called assigning the value for A is equal to 5. In our box, in our memory, we created one variable name that is A. And we kept that variable name inside this 5. Okay, this is called assigning the value for a variable. Assigning the value for a variable. Got it, students? What is assignment operator? Anything in our memory is like a box type. Memory is like a box type. Here we are giving like that self wise it will be stored. Okay, here self like one self, two self, inside the self again selves will be there. Like this it will be the storage places. So we are assigning one place is equal to A. A is equal to 5. We store that value here 5. Got it? Everyone understood? Now assigning the value by using is equal to symbol. Which symbol we are using? Is equal to A. We stored A is equal to value and we are keeping the value of 5 here. Means we are keeping this 5 is equal to A. Now you understood what is assignment variable? Same like students, reply me. You understood or not assignment variable? Assignment
Yes,
operators means we are assigning the value to a variable. By using is equal to. By using is equal to. Anything you are assigning the value by using. By
Is
using
equal
is equal to.
Is-
Anything I want to assign x is equal to car. What I am assigning the value? What is value? What is assigning the value? Tell me. A is equal to car. What is which is value?
car.
Which is what I am assignment operator? Which is assignment operator? Which is assignment operator, students? Unmute and tell me. Which is assignment operator?
Is
Very
equals
good.
to.
Is equal
Is
to.
equal to.
What is variable? A is equal to car. I am writing here. A is equal to car. Which is variable?
A
Which
is
is
the
variable?
variable.
A.
A is the variable. What is assignment operator? Is equal to. Yes. Assignment. And what is value? Car is your value. Okay. Car is your value. Which is value? What is the value name? Bhavin, what happened? What is your problem, Bhavin?
Ma'am, nothing, ma'am. Ma'am, ma'am, my brother came here, ma'am. I'm asking him why did you came, ma'am.
Acha, acha. Okay. Tell him to sit with you.
Ma'am, what, ma'am?
Tell him to sit with you.
Why, ma'am?
Okay. Okay, students. Now we'll clear this. Now I will tell you. In here, in our assignment operator, we will go for addition assignment operator plus symbol, where we are writing in our addition. What we will do? In our addition, we will give here, see, x is equal to 5. X is equal to 5. X plus is equal to 3 here they written. X plus is equal to 3. Means we are assigning the value. We are assigning the value with plus symbol. Okay. This is additional operation. X is plus is equal to. What is the meaning of this? If I will keep x is equal to 5, y is equal to 3, what I will do? X plus y is equal to 5 plus 3. That is the meaning of this one. Okay, we are assigning in our, by using our assignment operator, addition operator, assignment addition operator, we are writing x plus is equal to 3. Here x is equal to, what is assigning? X is equal to 5. X is equal to 5. We are assigning the value by using plus symbol. Plus is equal to. So x plus y, x is equal to 5. See, what is the meaning? What is the meaning of this? X is equal to 5. Y is equal to 3. I am assigning by using assignment operator. I am adding the value x plus y is equal to 5 plus 3. In place of that, I am writing x plus is equal to 3. Directly I am writing. Okay. This and this both are same. Both are same. This and this both are same. Now, if I will write print x, what is the value we will get? X is equal to 5 plus 3. Yes. Now, if I will write print x plus y, what is the value of this? This is also 5 plus 3. Are you getting? Students, see here one thing. See here. Now you got? Everyone I am asking you. Sudeep, Bhavin, Sarman.
Yes, ma'am.
Without these variable declaration, two declarations, we can use direct assignment operators for plus symbol, plus and is equal to. Got it? That is called assignment addition operator. Okay, we can add by using assignment operator also. Okay, got it? So this one and this one are same. Like these. Got it, students? Now you write down in your book, in your notebook, x is equal to 10, y is equal to, how much I will give? 3. Write down. Y is equal to 3. Whatever I given, same thing I given. I am giving. Write your notebook, students, this one. Now I'm writing here, you write down. X is equal to 10. Now you have to do it. X is equal to 10, y is equal to 3. Now you get the value. X is equal to 10. You write down. X plus is equal to 3. X plus is equal to 3. Now x minus is equal to 3. Write down. What you will give? Print. What you will give? Print x. And second one, what you will write here? Next line. X is equal to 10. Y is equal to 3. Print x plus y. Print x plus y. Both. Okay. How I am doing? This is one part. This is another part. But output, we are getting here how much? 13. Here also we'll get 13. Yes, understood, students? Write down in your notebook. You have to write down like this. Minus, how you will write? If x is equal to 10, x minus is equal to, x minus is equal to x minus is equal to 3. Here you will write print x. And down what you will write? X is equal to 10. X y is equal to 3. Print x minus y. Yes. Write down. First of all, write down. What the operations you will do now? X minus. What the operations you will do now, students? What's the operations you will do now? All of you completed this one?
Yes, ma'am.
All of you. Sudeep, Chanvi, Prathamesh,
Yes.
Pransu, Sharman.
Ma'am, what does x equals
Yes, ma'am.
x plus equals 3? What will that do, ma'am?
Same thing. Only by using assignment operator, you can do it. Both you can do it. By UI is equal
So,
to
ma'am,
3.
it will add both of them, ma'am.
See, you are writing this and you are writing this. What is the value you are getting? Here also you are getting 13 and here also you are getting 13 only. The value, the output is same, but writing procedure is different. This is for addition operation. This is for addition assignment operator you are using. That two things you are using, but output is same.
It is not same for me.
Got it? Write down. Like this, you have to use for x is equal to 10 and 3 you will take another variable. Now write down plus is equal to, minus is equal to, and what? Have you written? Can I write all these things? Have you written all these things? Can I clear?
And for
No.
me, it's not coming the same one output.
Same value it is not coming. X is equal to 10, x plus is equal to 3, print x, you write down. Have you, anyone didn't get same value? Just tell me. Anyone didn't get same value? Anyone didn't get same value? Tell me. Sudeep, what happened? Have you got the same value?
Ma'am, 1 minute, ma'am. I'm trying it to.
Share me screen. I will clear this. You share your screen, students. Anyone can share the screen? Anyone? Any one member? Anyone is interested? Voluntarily share your screen. Last 5 minutes.
Sharing the
complete it?
screen.
Yeah.
See,
Sudeep is sharing the screen. Okay.
uh,
Ik is equal to 3. Print Ik. Print Ik. See, listen. See, what's the mistake you did? That second line, go for k is equal to 10. Second line remove. I cannot. K plus is equal to 3. You have to write K plus. This is assignment is additional assignment we are using. Plus is equal to 3. Now print K only. We are printing because K only it is there. We want only K value. Now run.
Yes, ma'am.
Now you got. Student, same thing you have to write. Okay. Now you stop sharing. Okay. Now students, I will give you homework for today purpose. Only addition subtraction. Are you ready? Is it fine? So you will write. All of you write down in your notebook. Only small homework, not big. Don't worry. Don't worry. Don't worry. Plus is equal to. Minus is equal to. Next, what I will write? Multiplication is equal to. Next, division is equal to. Next, what I will write, students? Division after, what is just there?
Multiplication is equal to.
Multiplication I written here, see. This is
Floor
multiplication.
division.
Floor division is equal to. Very good. Next, modulus is equal to. Next,
Power.
power is equal to. This much you write down. Power is equal to. Complete this tomorrow. A is equal to 10. X is equal to you take as a 10. And your another variable you take as a 3. Next, A is equal to you take as a, otherwise X same, A is equal to 20.3. And another variable you have to take 4.1, same. Complete it. You have to compare. When you will compare A is equal to, X is equal to 10, Y is equal to 3. You have to compare these two with plus, minus and multiplication and all. You have to compare this assignment operator and normal operator, arithmetic operator. You have to compare and tell me tomorrow. That's it. Are you ready? Write down. Write down on your notebook. Do you have
What should we
notebook?
do, ma'am, again?
What you did addition operator, what you did this one? See what I told you, X is equal to 10 and X plus is equal to 3. Print. What you are printing?
X.
X. Like this, in this place, you have to use minus, multiplication, division, floor division.
So we have to
modulo,
do these
power.
sums using this code, ma'am.
Yeah.
Okay, ma'am. That's the
Got it? Any
Ma'am.
doubt? Any other doubt?
Ma'am,
Tell me.
is there a class tomorrow as well?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
Class is there 3 to 5. Same time you have to come 3 to 5.
Okay.
Okay. Now, if you understood all these things, you can leave, and otherwise, you ask me doubt.
Ma'am, actually, I
tell
had a
me.
doubt in power now.
Yeah, I will explain you. Power is having doubt many students, only for 5th class. Shanvi, you can go better. Have a nice day. You complete your all these things. Okay, and come back
Okay.
tomorrow.
Bye.
Bye. And next, who is having any doubt on power, they will stay, otherwise they can leave. Siti Sahu, you see here. Sharman, you take here. I will explain you power. Now all of you see here, only power anyone is having doubt. See, power means,
Doubt in power.
yeah, power means generally, not this one. I will tell you power, normal power. Anything power, 2 power 2 means this one we will multiply this times. If A is equal to B, A to the power B, I will multiply A B times. I don't know, if B is equal to 2, I will write A is multiplied 2 times. Okay.
So we will multiply a number with itself the number of times.
If B is equal to 3, what is the output we will get? A into
multiplied by A or multiplied by
A into A. If B is equal to 10, how many times I will multiply?
10 times.
A into how many times I will multiply? 10 times. 10 times A. Now,
Excuse me,
if
ma'am, how we can do the A upon B1?
that is power, just I given as a these are variables already. I told you what is variable. If I will write like this, A is equal to some value and B is equal to some value, then what will happen? I am explaining. Understood? If I will write A is equal to 2, B is equal to 3, then what is the value of what we will get the output? A is equal to 2, B is equal to 3, we will write it. So 2 power 3. So what I will write? Tell me.
3 equals to 6.
2 multiplied 2 multiplied 2.
2.
If I will write A is equal to 4, A is equal to 4, B is equal to 5, A to the power B. What I will write? How many times? What I will write? Output will come.
4 you will write. 4 you have to multiply 4 by 4 5 times.
Very good. 4 into 4 into 4 into 4 into 4. See, in our computer, star means in our general mathematics multiplication. Got it? In our computer, star. In our general mathematics multiplication. That's it. In our computer, double power, double multiplication means our general mathematics power. We are writing like this. Okay, got it? How many members are having still doubt?
I got it.
No doubt.
No doubt?
I have a doubt. I have a doubt.
Okay, you tell me. You ask me. Okay, bye. Have a nice day, all of you. Whoever understood, who all are, they can leave the class. And who didn't understand, they will stay back.
I have a doubt.
Yeah, you tell me your doubt. Now you share your
uh,
screen.
So, the power is like multiplying the particular number 2 times, right? Like a powered 2 and all. E means like 3, and it would be like 2 plus 2 into 2 into 2, right? So, like, I'm not understanding. If there is A is equals to 3 and B is equals to 4.
A is
Like,
equal to 3.
Yeah,
B is
I don't know
equal to
like
4.
what to. I'm actually not understanding how like which will what should I like multiply it to? Like, should I multiply the 3 or 4?
That only I'm telling. A is equal to 3 means 3 will multiply how many times?
4 times.
4 times. Okay. A will multiply that time. If A is equal to 2, A is equal to 2, B is equal to 10. How many times will multiply 2? A to the power B, I want.
A to the power B. So A is equals to 2 and B is equals to
10.
10. So it will be 2 into 2 into 2 into 2.
How many times?
10 times.
10 times.
10 times.
If A is equal to 5, B is equal to 100. How many times we will multiply A to the power
5 will
B?
be 100 times. 5 will be 100 times.
5 will be how many times? 100 times. That is
I
called power.
have another doubt. Like when we do this 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, like we should not like multiply it, or it's just like that's the answer completely.
We should?
It should be not multiply it, or we should just keep it like that.
That's why directly in our computer will accept direct values. We will get A double star, A double star,
Annotating.
A double star B. No problem. Now class is completed. No, I will stop annotation.
Okay.
I have that one option. I will check stop annotation how to do. Okay, students, don't drag that one. I will check it how to do annotation, stop annotation. I to share. Okay, now I did off. Now, okay, got it?
Yeah, I got it.
Now anyone is having, Prathamesh, do you have any doubt?
No, madam.
Okay, you can leave beta. Have a nice day. Anvesa, do you have any doubt?
No, ma'am.
Okay, you can leave. We are ending our meeting.